Hello friends, back again with a second session of how to connect our web server to the Ethereum blockchain. So here we try to concentrate one thing is that how to connect to the blockchain and how we want to communicate with the blockchain, like sending and receiving some response from the blockchain. So these two will be targeting it. So as we are talking about the Ethereum mandate, so here we will be connecting to the Ethereum blockchain and we'll see whether we are able to connect with the Ethereum blockchain or not. So for communicating with the Ethereum blockchain, I want something locally run blockchain. I want to install that. For that, what I suggest is that Ethereum Testrpc so that I can install in my system. We can Ethereum Testrpc and we can take any NPM or Testrpc, something like this. Can I just say that? Not in Ethereum. You can choose GitHub repository, then I just CLI, and you can follow the steps and you can npm install. It's an npm library. If you type this, it gets installed, right? So as it is already in my system, what I do is that I'll open one more terminal. You can see two batch, first batch and second batch, two terminals. Here I'll try to run my desktop PC or Ganache CLI, whatever it is. Older version is desktop PC, newer version is Ganache CLI. Both will work out. And it is running my blockchain with the default 10 accounts 0 to 9 with some private keys for each account is being running from the localhost 8545. So how to communicate with this localhost 8545 in order to connect to this blockchain, right? So for that, Ethereum has provided one JavaScript library that is Web3, Web3.js. So there are documentation in the read the doc. You can go through it, how to connect with that. Everything is available. So for time being, what I do is that instead of running on the only server, I'll comment it out. I'll try to see how to use Web3, right? I'll save it and const Web3 equal to require Web3. Even you can find the documentation of Web3 and try to see what is coming on the Web3, right? Just like what we done for the Express, we are doing for the Web3 also. And node app.js. It says Web3, it hasn't found. So what I do is that npm, we haven't installed to our project, right? npm install Web3 -7. Even you can see the documentation, not only the reader docs, you can see here to npm Web3. You can check here Web3. So npm install Web3, whatever we are doing now, here, right? It has given the same GitHub page where you can see the readme of that documentation, something like that, right? Go back to the code, it's getting installed so far. And you can see that in the package.json, dependencies has been added. In Express we have installed, so Express has been done. Now, after installation of Web3, Web3 gets added here. You can check which version is getting installed over in the package.json. And now we are using the Web3. Now, how to connect to the Web3? So here, inside the Web3 documentation, getting started, adding Web3, it will be step by step. See, npm install whatever we have done so far. There are ways they are using yarn also. Yarn is also just like npm. It is bit faster than npm. You can use yarn also if you have installed yarn. That's up to you. How to connect? Basically, let web3 equal to new web3 dot event provider. Localhost 8545. Already our blockchain is running on localhost 8545, so I can use directly this statement. Or in Node.js, you can use const web3 equal to require web3. That's what I have typed here. Const web3 equal to require web3. Right? Right. So now what I do is that node app.js. So here it has all the, it's a big library and we have all the methods. So web3 we are able to import and we are able to connect to web3. Now I want to connect this web3 to the running node, right? So for that, what I do is that I will take one more web3, let it be this small web3, web3, const web3 equal to new of web3 and I can give a http colon slash slash localhost where my test RPC is running 8545, right? Now I will try to print out let's say save it. Well, let us when providers shows all this. Now we connected to this. So I want to see now in the other node, it's running, it has some accounts, right? I want to see that whether I am able to get this accounts here or not. So for that, what I do is that I'll comment this out, then I can use console minus web3 dot e dot get accounts. So it's a callback it's saying. So callback in the sense it has some asynchronous event, you need to write function in that. So what I do is a function and write function accounts and inside this what I try to do is console dot log. So whatever the accounts are there, I'll try to print here, right? So then I try to execute this. It says none. This callback is something I try to add error. Yeah. So first for this callback there is an error and as well as icons. You can see that error as well as icon. So first I put one error plus error, then I put icons, then I can able to see icons. If I do that, console.log error only, it prints none, right? So it prints none, error is printing none. So we are able to get the accounts from the test blockchain which is running locally. Now I want to the same blockchain, whatever getting accounts, I want to replicate in this our web server. So what I do is that I'll uncomment this, then I will take this, right? Okay, and inside query.get account. So I want to access this particular method. So I want to print instead of ID. So for the time being, I'll comment it and I'll save it and run it. So you can see my document is running here. So instead of world, I want something, these accounts to be printed. right? If I click on get response, it gives an error. If I trace test, allow test, right? So instead of getting the input from here, I want to get the input from the blockchain and I want to display over here. So further, what I do is that I will take this particular code and initially it's in index.html. So it is coming to slash id. So instead of id, what I do is that I'll print here, this here, I'll uncomment it, and I'll take this, I'll put inside this. Okay. So instead of express.params id, what I do is that I'll print accounts, whatever accounts is coming, right? Then I'll cross upload it. Then I'll ignore it, let response. I'll give some test here so that the two will work. So all accounts are coming. If I want to print particular account as it is array, I'll do take it 0 operation 0, right? Yes. Only one account is getting printed, right? So you are communicating with the blockchain, you are getting the account and you are able to print publicly over here. So this is how you communicate with the tester PC. In the next tutorial, we'll try to see how to communicate with the something which publicly running the blockchain, like ropes and test network. There are test networks available for the Ethereum blockchain. We'll try to communicate with those blockchains, and we'll try to post some contract. We'll try to store some value in the public blockchain network, and we'll try to